Why do we hiccup? May eat big bite too fast. Sudden HRC sound jump out. Why body makes silly noise. Inside chest with muscle called diaphragm. Diaphragm like trampoline for breath. It move up and down, help air going on down. Sometimes you get surprised, maybe from fast eating or laughing or cold drink. Diaphragm jump like scared frog. Air rushing quick. Voice box snap shut make hiccup sound. Hiccup like tiny sneeze for belly. Not just people get hiccup. Baby and mama belly hiccup too. Even dog and cat sometimes hiccup. Old wise ones say scared and stop hiccup. But really most hiccup go away by self. New learning drink slow and breathe calm hill. Lesson body do funny things to protect and reset. Next time hiccup come say thank you belly trampoline.